everyone, today we will do exercise 8.3 of unit 8, that is measurements. So let's start. Question number 1 is add. Now here in this question we need to add the given units. So 48.9 plus 36.7 will give you 85.6. See, addition will be same. The thing is that unit is written here in common and no need to write unit again and again. So you can write the unit here on the top and then you can add it as you do the simple addition sums. Okay. So sum number 2. 5.63 decimeter plus 1.79 decimeter will give you 7.42 decimeters. Now sum number 3, 73.09 meter plus 8.83 meter will give you 81.92 meter. Sum number 4, 180.79 meter plus 95.88 meter. After addition you will get 276 plus 67 meter. Last sum, 12.089 kilometer plus 3.276 kilometer. So after addition, you will get 15.365 kilometers. Now sum number 2, subtract. Here we will subtract 12.9 from 18.3. So 18.3 is written on the top and 12.9 is written at the bottom. Now after subtraction you will get 5.4 centimeter. Next sum, 25.60 meter minus 13.48 meter and the answer will be 12.12 meter. Next sum, 107.365 meter minus 89.251 meter. When you will subtract it one by one, you will get 17.114 meter. Now the last sum, 15.718 kilometer minus 6.906 kilometer. When you will subtract it, you will get 8.812 kilometer. Now the next question is question number 10, add. Now here we will add 44 centimeter 9 millimeter and 30 centimeter 8 millimeter. But we should keep one thing in mind, that whenever we do addition or subtraction in case of measurements, first of all we have to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit and then only we can add or subtract. So here 44 is in centimeters and 9 is in millimeters, and millimeter is the lower unit. So this will get converted into centimeters and will get added to 44 centimeter. And similarly 30 is in centimeters, 8 is in millimeters. So 8 millimeter will get converted into centimeters and finally get added to 30 centimeters. And then the final value which we will get from here in centimeters and from here, those values will get added. So right, 44 centimeter plus this 9 millimeter we will convert into centimeters. So let's see the formula. King Henry died, mother did not cry much. This is millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So this is millimeter, this is centimeter. When we will convert millimeter into centimeter, we have to go one step above. Whenever we go above to the higher units, we need to divide, and whenever we come downwards to the lower units, we need to multiply. So here we are going upward and we are going one step above. So we will divide this 9 millimeter by 10. So the unit will get converted into centimeters. Now in the next step, we will write 44 centimeter plus, whenever you will divide a number by 10, so when you will divide it, your answer will be in decimals, and after decimal there will be one digit. So if you will go for long division, you can divide in that way also, but you can do it directly also. If in denominator there is 1 0, so write the numerator and put decimal before one digit from the right side. So it will be 0.9 centimeter. After that you can add 44 centimeter and 0.9 centimeter. How? 44, then 0 here. Now 0.9, and when you will add, you will get 0.944. 44.90 means this is 44.9. Okay, you can write it 90 or 9, it means the same. Next is 30 centimeter, 8 millimeter. So 30 centimeter will be written as it is, and 8 millimeter will get converted into centimeters. For that we need to divide 8 by 10 because we have to go one step above as per the formula. And after that 30 centimeter plus, when you will divide it, or you can do it directly, that when the denominator is 10, there should be one digit after the decimal. So it is 0.8 means 0.8, and when you will add 30 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter, so you will get 30.80 means 30.8 centimeter. And now you will add these final values, okay, this one and this one. Now you will add them. 44.9 plus 30.8 unit centimeter we have written above in common, so we need not to write it again and again. So 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 will get carried over here. Now decimal will be just below the decimal, okay. Now 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 1 carry will be 5, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So final answer is 75.7 centimeter. So this is how you will first of all convert the unit into higher units, and then you will add the numbers. Now part B, 107 meter 9 centimeter, 12 meter 85 centimeter, and 79 meter 79 centimeter. We have to add these three values, but before that we will convert them one by one into the higher unit. Now these are given in meters and centimeters, and we know that milli, centi, deci, this is meter. So centimeter is the lower unit and meter is the higher unit. So we will convert all these values one by one into meters, okay. So as per this formula, this is the lowest one and this is the highest one, okay. So 107 meter 9 centimeter. Here we will convert this centimeter into meter. So 107 meter plus, how to convert centimeter into meter? See this formula, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, and this is meter. When we will convert centimeter to meter, we have to go 2 steps above. Whenever we go above, we divide, and whenever we come below or downward, we multiply. So we are going 2 steps upward, so we will just divide it by 100 and the unit will get converted into meters. So 107 meter plus. Now when the denominator is 100, after decimal there should be 2 digits. If you are having 1, then you need to put 0 before it to make it 2. So it will be 0.09 meter. After that you will add these two values. 107 meter. Now in centimeters you will write 2 zeros, and here it is 0.09. So when you will add it, it will be 107.09. So this is the final value. Now 12 meter 85 centimeter. We will convert this 85 centimeter also in meters. So 12 meter plus 85 by 100, because from centimeter to meter we are going 2 steps upward. So we will divide it by 100. Unit will get converted into meters. Now 12 meter plus 0.85 meter, because the denominator is 100, there are 2 zeros. So after decimal there should be 2 numbers when we will write the numerator. Now when you will add it, you will get 12.85, and this is how you can add the values. Now next is 79 meter 79 centimeter. Again this 79 centimeters will get converted into meters. How? 79 meter plus 79 divided by 100. Same, because we are going 2 steps upward, so the denominator will be 100. Unit will get converted into meters. So 79 meter plus 0.79 meter, because when the denominator is 100, there should be 2 digits when we will write the final answer. So after addition, you will get 79.79 meters. Now after converting all the 3 values, all the 3 units, now you will finally add whatever you have got after converting them into meters. So 107.09, 12.85, 79.79. When you will add all of them, you will get the final answer as 199.73 meter. So one by one you will convert the given values into higher unit, and then finally you will add according to the question. Now next question is of subtraction. Now the method will be same. The way we have converted in the addition sum, in same way we will just convert the smaller unit into higher unit, and after that we will do the subtraction. Okay, before doing the conversion, you can't subtract. First of all, you just convert the given unit into higher unit and then subtract. So let us see the first sum. 48 meter 45 centimeter from 50 meter 6 centimeter. We have to subtract this one from this one. So first of all, we will just convert it into higher unit. So let's take the first one, 48 meter 45 centimeter. I have again written the formula here in short form. King Henry died, mother did not cry much, which means millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, then meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So if we have to convert, see, first of all, let's see, meter is the higher unit and centimeter is the lower unit, because meter is written above the centimeter. Okay, so this is higher unit. It means in this sum we will convert centimeter into meter. Fine. So 48 meter 45 centimeter. We have to convert this 45 centimeter into meters. So let's see, we have to go 2 steps above. For that we will divide it by 100, because if we are going above we will divide. If we are coming down we will multiply. So 48 meter plus 45 by 100. Why 100? Because we are going 2 steps above, upward. So the unit will get converted into meters. Now 48 meter plus, when you will divide it, you will get 0.45. And if you want to directly write the answer, if your denominator is 100, then after decimal there should be 2 digits which are written in the numerator. And if there you don't have 2 digits, you can put decimal before the number to make it 2. Now, after adding 48 meter and 0.45 meter, you will get the final answer as 48.45 meter. Now, after this, we'll convert the second one, that is 50 meter, 6 centimeter. Here also, we will convert 6 centimeters into meters. So, 50 meter plus 6 by 100, because from centimeter to meter, we have to go 2 steps upward. Unit will get converted into meters. Now 50 meter plus 0.06 meter, because if the denominator is 100, there should be 2 digits after the decimal, whatever is written in the numerator. So in numerator we are having only 1 digit. So before that digit we will put 0 to make it 2. After that we have to add 50 meter and 0.06 meter. So we will get 50.06 meter. Finally, and now we will subtract. So we have to subtract the first number from the second number. So second will be written on the top. This is the second one. This will be written on the top, 50.06, and this will be written at the bottom, 48.45, and unit we will write here on the top as common. Okay, now 6 minus 5 is 1. We can't subtract 4 from 0, so we will borrow from here. This is also having 0, so we will borrow from 5. Now the 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. When 10 will just give number to this place, then it will become 9. So here we have 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 minus 8 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. 1.61 meter. Now similarly, we'll do the B part of subtraction. Now 8 kilometer 89 meter from 10 kilometer 126 meter. First of all, we'll do the conversion and we will convert the smaller unit to higher unit. So let's take the first one, 8 kilometer 89 meter. So I have written the formula here. King Henry died, mother did not cry much, which means millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, this is meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So here kilometer is written here and meter is written below. So it means kilometer is the higher unit, and whenever we have to convert into higher unit, we need to go upward and we have to divide. And whenever we convert into lower unit, we used to come down as per this formula and we need to multiply. Here we have to convert meter into kilometer, so we have to go 3 steps above. So we need to divide by 1000. So let us write 8 kilometer plus 89 meter will be converted into kilometer. For that we have to divide it by 1000 and the unit will get converted into kilometers. Now 8 kilometer plus, when the denominator is 1000, so there should be 3 digits after the decimal. So here we have only 2. So before these 2 digits, we'll put a 0 to make it 3. So it will be 0.089 kilometer. Then finally, when we will add it, 8 kilometer plus 0.089, we will get 8.089 kilometer. Now the second one, that is 10 kilometer 126 meter. So 10 is already in kilometer. So we need to convert 126 meter into kilometer. For that we have to divide it by 1000, because as per the formula we have to go 3 steps upward. So 10 kilometer plus 126 divided by 1000. So this meter will get converted into kilometers. Now 10 kilometer plus 0.26 kilometer. Why? Because if the denominator is 1000, there should be 3 digits after the decimal, so it will be 0.126 kilometer. When we will add these two numbers, that is 10 kilometer and 0.126 kilometer, we will get 10.126 kilometers. And now we will finally add these two terms that we have got after conversion. So first of all, we will write the second one, which is written after from. So that is 10.126, then minus the first one, that is 8.089. Kilometer means the unit we will write here on the top. And now let us subtract. We can't subtract 9 from 6. So we will borrow from here. This 6 will become 16 and 2 will become 1. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Now we can't subtract 8 from 1. So we will borrow from here and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here we can't subtract 8 from 0. So we will borrow. This 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So the final answer is 2.037 kilometer. Now next is question number 12, and this is a statement sum. Anu bought 3.25 meter cloth for her dress and 2.96 meter cloth for her brother's suit. How much cloth did she buy? So think that you have bought cloth for your dress and you have bought some cloth for your brother's suit. So how much cloth did you buy? It means you have to combine. Okay, you have to add. So let us write the statement. Cloth bought by Anu for her dress, it is 3.25 meter. Then cloth bought for her brother's dress, this is 2.96 meter. Therefore, cloth she bought. So we need to add, because we need to find out how much cloth she bought in all. Okay. So 3.25 plus 2.96. Now instead of writing meter here again and again, we can write the unit here in common on the top. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 will get carried over here. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 1 carry is 12. So again 1 will get carried over here. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 carry is 6. It means she bought 6.21 meter cloth in all. Now question number 13. A rope is 8.62 meter long. A piece measuring 4.8 meter was cut from it. How much rope is left? Suppose you are having a rope which is 8.25 meter long and you just cut a piece measuring 4.8 meter from it. It means the long rope will now get reduced. Okay. So how much rope is left? It means you need to subtract. So let's write this statement. Length of a rope is 8.62 meter. Rope cut from it 4.8 meter. Therefore, rope left we need to subtract. Okay. 8.62 meter minus 4.8 meter. So let us do the subtraction. Now here I have written the units here. So you can do it in both the ways. You can write the unit here on the top in common, or you can write the units here also. It's your choice how you want to write. So 8.62 meter minus 4.8 meter. Now here you can put 0 because there is nothing. So now you can subtract. 2 minus 0 will be 2. Now we can't subtract 8 from 6. So we'll borrow from here. So 8 will become 7 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 8 is 8 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore 3.82 meter rope is left. Now the next question, question number 14. Kabir walked 8.625 kilometer on Monday, 7.059 kilometer on Tuesday and some distance on Wednesday. It means the distance he walked on Monday and Tuesday is given, but the distance he walked on Wednesday is not given to us. If he walked 25.8 kilometer in 3 days. Now total distance he walked in 3 days is given to us. Okay. So how much distance did he walk on Wednesday? So distance he walked on Monday and Tuesday is given. Total distance he walked in 3 days is also given. So we need to find the distance he walked on Wednesday. So there is a very simple way. You will add the distance he walked on Monday and Tuesday and then subtract it from the total distance that he walked on 3 days. Okay, so let's write this statement. Distance Kabir walked on Monday, 8.625 kilometer. Distance he walked on Tuesday, it is 7.059 kilometer. So first of all, let us find the total distance he walked in these 2 days. Therefore, total distance he walked on these 2 days, that is 8.625 kilometer plus 7.059 kilometer. So it will give you 15.684 kilometers. After this, he walked some distance on Wednesday, and distance he walked in 3 days is 25.8 kilometer. So now distance he walked on Wednesday can be easily calculated by subtracting the distance he walked in 2 days from the total distance he walked in 3 days. So let us write the total distance over here on the top, that is 25.800 kilometer. It is 8 kilometers, so we can put 2 zeros because in the second part there are 3 digits in the meters. So he walked some distance on Wednesday. Distance he walked in 3 days is 25.8 kilometer. Therefore, distance he walked on Wednesday can be easily calculated. So write the total distance he walked in 3 days on the top, that is 25.800 kilometer. Now you can think that it was 25.8. So 8 means 800 because meters is always written in 3 digits because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So that is why meters should be written in 3 digits. So you can put 2 zeros after the number. Minus 15.684 kilometer. Now you will subtract it and you will get the final answer as 10.116 kilometer. So I hope you would have understood this exercise. Thank you.